In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up your Fortnite account and connect both your Nintendo Switch account and your PlayStation Network account. By doing this, your progress will be shared between all of those consoles and you will be able to sign into the same account across both. So all that you have to do is visit the official website. This process must be done through the Fortnite or Epic Games website. So through a web browser on your computer, a laptop, or your phone, go to Fortnite.com or go to the official Epic Games website. In here, sign up to your account at the top right corner of the screen. So choose the option to sign in and then use your credentials, email and password, or choose to sign in using your Nintendo or PSN account. Once you are signed into the account, click on your name and go to Connect Accounts. You can also just go to Account and then select Apps and Accounts over here to the left. Now switch over to the Accounts tab and you will be able to set everything up. So as you can clearly tell, this is where you are able to connect external accounts. What you have to do is make sure that you have your PlayStation Network account and your Nintendo account connected simultaneously. Once this is done, the progress will be shared between both of these platforms. So if one is already connected, you simply have to connect the other one. Now, I cannot demonstrate this process in full, but all that you would have to do is click on Connect. You will be able to confirm your email address, click on the option to connect the account, and then you will be redirected into the PlayStation website or the Nintendo website, where you can finish setting up this connection. Like I said, once both accounts have been set up and connected, all that you have to do is go to any of the platforms, so either the Switch or the PlayStation console, open Fortnite and sign into the Epic Games account that you linked the accounts to. And once you sign in, your progress will be shared. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.